Yeah, you do. So good. Hi guys, we're headed to Mangwon Market. We're going to a more local market to try out more local food, which I'm super excited about. We're starting our food market tour with something sweet actually. This is a hot dog with seeds. It's my first time having this, so I'm very excited. I think it's supposed to be kind of like a honey-filled donut. We passed by this place, which I saw on someone's vlog. Entrance of the hot dog, Hun hot dog shop is kind of like hidden, like it's like a basement, and it's like right next to the market here. More on like the hip side, like rather than like your traditional hot dog. So they have like different flavors like cheese, Oreo, soybean powder, and seeds. So I think these are more like innovative spin to hot dog. It's hot. Crispy on the outside, but like very mochi and kind of like eat the fried dough in Hong Kong that you eat with congis. Let me take a big bite. Definitely like sweet. It's yummy, I love it. Just gotta say it, get it off of my chest. Even if it's something that I'll probably regret. I've fallen way too deep. Don't pay me please. 아무리 기다려봐도 울리지 않는 번을 들어. Oh no, am I sinking again? 취해버린 나 다 잊으려 해. Some strawberries for tonight, since we haven't had fruits the past days, and the strawberries here are like amazing. Instead of thank you.
감사합니다.
It's so funny. So I ended up I need to go to like cheap places to be able to buy stuff because apparently my taste is cheap. But I'm glad. Like I bought so much, and it was like 500 for like 3 pieces. It's like pretty affordable, right? On we go. Lights and purple sky, everything's so bright. 기다려왔어 지금이야. Turn off your phone and off your mind. Look at you so bright. 멈출 수 없어 지금이야. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Finally getting my tanggulu. I was excited to try these mandarin one. Grapes one we've tried in Chengdu and they were great. So we got both grapes and mandarin. They're still cold, so nice. Super crunchy. Ooh, it's a mess. I guess that's why they give you this cup. That's really thoughtful, actually. So you can push it up. Oops. Wait, I think the grapes, there's no skin. They peeled off the skin for the grapes. That's so fancy. We bought so much stuff in Hongdae, and look, Rudy has like a whole bag of stuff. So now we're like super tired and we're gonna go to Yeongnam-dong to find this strawberry themed cafe that I've been wanting to go. And guys, the walk from Hongdae to Yeongnam-dong is so nice. It's like, I don't know, it's just like so picturesque. I could walk here all day, every day. To our strawberry cafe. Rudy's got the sparkling strawberry tea and I got the strawberry tea. One day I was just browsing Instagram and I came across this strawberry themed cafe and all their Instagram photo looks so aesthetic and so appetizing, so wanted to stop by and check it out. Too bad we didn't have the space to have some dessert because the dessert also looked very bomb. So we're just here for a drink to rest after all the shopping we did. Highly recommend if you're a fan of strawberries.
One, two, three.
Wow.
That's us. Thank you so much. So we just got our picture drawn. My first time doing anything like this.
She made you look so much better. Look at that.
She made you look so squarely.
Yeah, look at my head compared to yours. I have a big head. She even detailed your jacket and then your eyelashes and then some.
Yeah, I love how I look in this. But it only took like what, 5 minutes for her?
Yeah.
It's quite crazy like how fast she was able to draw it. This was like 19 for the two of us to be drawn, and for one person it's like 7,000, which is pretty cheap. So yeah, it's a good memory to bring home. We're gonna head home and put down our stuff and find dinner. This is a restaurant we went to, and make sure to go up to the second floor. So we're here for another barbecue night in Gangnam where we're staying, and there was a small wait, but it was okay. They have like a pretty small menu, like, you know, a couple pork items, one beef item, some ramen and rice, and that's it. We ordered some pork neck and beef. It's also interesting to see that they have like a self-ordering system, which is quite nice. There are like pictures on it, so it's like very clear. They also help you grill it, which is great because I wouldn't say that I'm like a K BBQ expert. I'm starving, so I can't wait. They offer like plastic bag for us to put like our jackets in it so it won't smell like, you know, barbecue. So that's really sweet. Beef first. So good. Not as fat as the other one we had, but it's got really strong beef flavor. It's like so nice and so juicy. On top of the grilled meat, they give you like a pot of seafood soup for free, and it's just like so nice to drink that like after a heavy meal. This soup is actually really light, but still very flavorful from all the seafood that's in it. The pork was also very good. We ordered the pork neck, so it was like more fatty but not chewy. It's perfect. Hi guys, big damage is done today. I got lots of stuff from mainly Hongdae and some items from Gangnam. First of all, I got this green tank top, and it might look a bit normal to you, but actually it's an open back design, so it's quite sexy and the material is just really nice, and it's in green, so I've been obsessed with this kind of green, avocado green, so of course I had to get it. And also from Clio, I got this cardigan, so it's just a simple cardigan, but the color is a little bit special. It's like not exactly gray, not exactly green, something in between. And it's just like super thin and perfect for wearing in Hong Kong, especially in the summer. Moving on to what I got from this street store in Hongdae. First of all, I got this cream cardigan with like ribbons. You probably know ribbons are in trend right now, and this is just so cute. It's like a little crop top, perfect for a petite size like me. Also from the same shop, we have this cream shirt. Actually, this shirt came in multiple colors. They also had white and a light blue. It's like this shirt that has like some design hugging your waistline, so it'll look very form-fitting, perfect for the office. It's the final piece from this store, which is like a very floral and feminine piece. Kind of a little crop top, off-shoulder floral print top. That's also long sleeve. Again, perfect for spring, summertime. What I got from this store in Gangnam is called Rome. I just got a lot of work pieces there. Perfect if you're looking for some cute work wear that's not boring. First of all, I got this white little top with bubble sleeves. It's like so cute when you put it on, and cream color goes with any work pants. Another one that I got is just a simple white top. Very comfortable material and perfect fit for me. So like I said, I needed an upgrade of my work wardrobe. This is the last piece that I got from Rome. It's this short sleeve tuxedo jacket. So I never actually own any short sleeve tuxedo jacket because that's just such a Korean kind of style that I never thought I could pull off, but I tried this on and actually I quite liked it on myself. So I got it as a kind of summer work outfit that's fashionable yet perfect for the climate like Hong Kong. It's like so hot in the summer. Rudy also got a few pieces from Spal, which is a local Korean store that's also in the same building of Rome. It was on the ground floor and Rome was on the top floor. So he got this simple black and white cotton t-shirt pack. Another thing that I encouraged him to get was this black top. It's very oppa looking and the material is so perfect. It kind of feels like linen, but I don't think it's linen. Perfect for hot weather like Hong Kong. When we're like scouting for outfits, it's important that the fabrics are not too thick. So that's it for all the clothes that we got. So moving on, the jewelry that I got in Hongdae in this store called Made in Love. I got a few pieces of jewelry for myself. So I got this pink gold pearl stud earring, something to wear for work for myself. And then also got this diamond looking hoop earring, which is so elegant. I also got a few pieces for friends and family from this store. I got this gold hoop earring for my friend who's taking care of my cat in Hong Kong. I also got this little gold hoop, smaller one for my sister. Moving on to skincare, we passed by Innisfree in Hongdae, so we bought some stuff there. I got this retinol cream. It's in this special package. Like I think there's like a collaboration with this cartoon. It's called Stephen Harrington. The pack I got also came with like a small travel size retinol sample, so it's good for me to bring when I'm on the road. Rudy also got some stuff. He got this apple seed bubble cleanser that the sales lady was trying to promote to him, as well as this volcanic BHA pore cleanser foam. And they were actually on a deal. If you buy two, then it's half price off. Lastly, he also got this super volcano pour clay mask from Innisfree, and it's just one of their all-time bestsellers. So we're just restocking. If you hold a WOW Pass and it's a foreigner, they will give you lots of discount. We also receive some free masks as a result of paying with WOW Pass. So I think it's a good idea to get WOW Pass when you're here. Just something I wanted to get was this Hongdae fire chicken sauce because I love spicy and I'm looking forward to put this in the noodles. So that's it to my haul today. It's a bit long. A lot of damage have been done. I'm happy with all the purchases I found in Hongdae. I find that Hongdae is perfect for my style. So thank you for tuning in and stay tuned.